Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Basics Kit is a simple-to-follow and easy-to-use 3-step method that dramatically improves skin's health as it conceals and perfects. This moisturizer and primer in one extends the life of your makeup and keeps it vibrantly in place, while Moisture Lock technology keeps skin hydrated a full 24 hours. Squeeze a dime-size amount onto finger, apply all over your face, and blend with fingertips. Known as the Pro's Magic Eraser, Amazing Concealer instantly erases dark circles, blemishes, and redness, while powerful antioxidants depuff skin and fight the signs of aging. And its waterproof formula gives you a breathable coverage that lasts. Dot, blend, and repeat. It's that simple. Just remember, this formula is ultra concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Only use it where you need it. This one-shade-fits-all translucent powder sets your makeup, and its weightless mineral formula eliminates pores while reducing shine and blurring fine lines. Brush all over your face to lock in your look, and use throughout the day for any touch-ups. Get a flawless look as amazing as you are.